Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics so you don't chase ghosts. Check your ISB status and modem LEDs. If lights look normal, you can proceed. Pause any large downloads and list which devices need priority. Once done, unplug modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for sync, then power the router. This clears caches and refreshes your public IP, often resolving intermittent slowness quickly. Next, optimize how your network behaves inside the house. You should relocate the router to a central, elevated position and keep it away from interference sources like microwaves or thick concrete walls. That increases signal reach. Then log into the router and change the Wi-Fi channel to one with less congestion and prefer 5 GHz for high-bandwidth devices. Make sure to close or pause background apps on phones and laptops, and enable Co-est. To finish, update router firmware and the network drivers on your main devices. Updates often fix performance bugs. Run a speed test close to the router and then on a wired connection to compare. This tells you whether wireless is the bottleneck. If wireless remains slow, try factory resetting the router as a last resort, then reconfigure. If problems persist, reboot modem/router one more time and contact your ISB with your speed test numbers and modem logs so they can diagnose line issues or provisioning problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.